Hello friends, a warm welcome to all of you on my channel. Today's recipe is a very healthy and nutritious soup. It's a detox soup. We are going to make drumstick soup. Drumsticks are loaded with proteins, minerals and vitamin C. It is said that drumstick soup, nutrition wise, is as good as mutton or paya yakhni. So it makes a very good option for vegetarians. Even Weight Watchers will love this soup. So let's proceed to make this detox soup, the drumstick soup. For the drumstick soup, I've taken about 6 to 7 drumsticks, which is 500 grams. Scrape out the skin, the green part. It can be easily scraped using a knife. Scrape it out and cut them into small pieces like this. Then we have taken one small piece of ginger, peeled and cut into pieces. Salt, roasted cumin powder, crushed black pepper, and then we have lemons. All these ingredients will be used as required according to your taste. Now first we are going to boil these drumstick pieces. Put them into a pressure cooker. Add about 3 cups of water. Add the ginger and then close the pressure cooker. Let it cook for 5 whistles. Now this is done. Allow it to cool. Then release the pressure completely and then open the cooker. Drumsticks are cooked very well. Now another method is you can parboil the drumsticks and then scoop out the pulp with a spoon, but this is a very tedious process. Remember, we don't have to pressure cook, we just have to parboil the drumsticks, and each drumstick you scoop out like this and then grind and use the pulp. But I prefer the pressure cooker method because that's little easier. You can make the soup whichever way is convenient to you. This soup also can be made with the addition of other vegetables, but usually the detox version, healthy version, is made plain only with drumsticks with no addition of other vegetables, which is very nutritious. Now I think the drumsticks have cooled. We can grind them. Put them into the grinding jar along with the water, because all the nutrition is there in the water. Now this is ground very well. The drumsticks were quite tender, you can see from the pulp. Now we are going to strain this mixture. Put it into a strainer and squeeze out the juice, pressing it with a spoon. Press it very well until everything is squeezed out very nicely, and you can add little water into the jar, mixer jar, and then put it over it. This way you can extract everything well. It's done. Now we are going to start the cooking process. Cook and season it. Now if you want to have a thicker version, use barley, powdered barley. You can grind it in the coffee grinder. This is a healthier option. You can add a teaspoon or two as you like, according to the consistency you want. But I am not going to add any thickener. I prefer the plain light soup. Pour the soup into a pan. Now we will add the seasonings. Add salt to taste. Some black pepper, freshly crushed black pepper, as much as you want. And quarter teaspoon of roasted cumin powder. Give it a good stir and now let it boil. When you are adding any thickener, you can add at this stage. Bring it to a boil and then reduce the flame. Add little lemon juice, as much as you prefer. Half a tablespoon should be enough. Check the salt and adjust it, add if required. That's it, nothing else to be added to this. The plain and healthy soup. Very light for the stomach. Nutrition wise, it is said that this soup is as good as mutton or paya yakhni. So this is a good option for vegetarians. Boil it for 1 minute or so. From 500 grams of drumsticks, you can make 2 bowls of soup. The soup is ready now to be served. Enjoy this delicious and healthy drumstick soup. Do share the feedback when you make it. If you are a new visitor, please subscribe to the channel and also click the bell icon to be notified about the new uploads. Check out these videos from the archives. You might have missed watching some. Happy cooking. Have a nice day.